This Seasons Realty LLC property video is presented by Ellie Benda. Well-maintained duplex, walking distance to neighborhood Walmart, library and bus route. Each unit has a 12 by 20 to 1 car garage and a large screen in lanai. All assessments paid. AC units replaced in 2017 and other in 2020. All appliances less than 3 years old. Owner uses 4017 and rents 4015. Great investment or home for a first-time homebuyer to live in one and rent the other. For more information, review the details below or contact Ellie Benda at 1239-298-6135.